Right, so let me show you how to record videos in D-Log format on your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So if you prefer to record in log format, which is basically just like raw version, just make sure you're in video mode first. In video mode, you should see the settings icon on the right hand side. You tap on that and you can see the color option. Tap on that, and then you have your normal 10-bit, which is what you're recording it by default. But if you scroll, you will see D-Log M 10-bit. So you can confirm that. That's going to be your D-Log format. All right. So you can just go back there and confirm that. That's D-Log. Now, D-Log keeps everything sort of gray, as you can see. All right. But if you want to see what it look like in color, you can just tap on that, and that's going to sort of enhance the color. Let me just show you that. So you can see with that off, everything looks a bit gray, but when I enable it, it gives you a better perspective of what that video is supposed to look like, even though you're recording in D-Log, and the output will be D-Log whether you have this on or off. Right, so I'll just keep it on for me and then tap on that, and then now when I record a video, it's going to be in the D-Log video format. That means I can edit this video inside the DJI Memo app and add color to it, or I can export it into Final Cut Pro or any other editing software and adjust the colors by myself. You can tell it's in D-Log because this is going to look like this. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.